Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibuni sana. Today we'll be doing a Kenyan dance style routine. The song is called Komasava. So the Kenyan styles will be infused in this choreography. A very simple routine. Join me, let's dance. Let's dance, huh? Okay. So the video is mirrored for you for much better practice at home. So let's get to it. Move number one. So-called Mandigi Kenyan style. You're going to step with the left leg. Then when you're stepping the left leg, you're going to lift your right leg up when holding something with your right fist. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then using your neck, you're going to hit your left side. Hit. Step and hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. So that's the first move. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. Now when you're here, you're going to step back with your right leg. Then you're going to hold your right hand like this and left hand below. This one is a Kenyan style called Goba. Then you're going to hit. Okay, let's combine them. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. And hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. And hit. And then from here, you're going to step down with your left leg. And then stretch your right leg forward. And then it's more of a greeting. High. Come top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. Next move. Open up. This is a Kenyan move also. Shake your head a little bit. So, how are you doing it? Moving it's more of extending your feet out, and you're using your hands, and then your head is shaking a little bit. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Next move from here, 7. So cross, open, then say hi. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. Combine from top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8, that's the speed. Okay. Let's do it to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good? Good? One more time with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice one. Good one. Let's continue from here. Here, you're going to go forward. How are you going forward? You're diving in using your head. It's a move. You're going down, but you're also using your arms. Digging. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Next move it. You hit. How are you hitting? Your hands are coming down as you're going to use this part and hit. 7, 8, and hit. Okay, connect them. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. Now from here, you're going to stretch your right leg to the left side. How? Like that. Then in the process, you're going to say hi. Hi. One more time from 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3. Back. Now from high, back. You're going to put your arms here. This is a Kenyan move. want to put your arms here, and then you're going to bring it down. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, let's connect them from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. From top. Connect from top. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. One more time. 5, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try with the music after that part. Nice one. Let's enjoy yourself. From the top. 6, 7, 8 and 1. No, not yet. Enjoy yourself. Make sure you have some fun. And 5, 6, 7, 8 and hit. And hit. Komasava. Komasava. Stretch. Take it. Nice one. The next move after here, you're going to jump to the right, to the left, and then you'll be shaking your legs in the process. How? Jumping, 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 jumping. Let's jump to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump and back to the left. So stretch your hands like this. Your hands are out. Make sure when you're jumping now, when you're jumping to the right, your head is looking to the right side. And also when you're jumping to the left, your head is looking to the left side. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Then next move is a Kenyan move. It's called Kangaroo. It's what the music will be saying. Kangaroo, Kangaroo style. So the Kangaroo style, how do you do it? Kangaroo style, you swing your hands back. So right, left, right, left. So it's more of the right is moving the left one, and then the left one is removing the right one. Now in the process, you are swinging. In the process, you are swinging. So add some breathing by adding your head where your hand is going. Yeah. Let's connect them for you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, the next move we are going to step with your right leg. Step and kick. Step, then move your hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step up, then kangaroo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and hip, kangaroo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and hip, kangaroo. Connect them from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now from here, you're going to bring your right foot back. Then you're going to N1, N2. So it's more you're punching, but you're moving from right to left. N1, N2. So how you moving? Step. It's a fast move. Take back your right leg faster, and then you start with the right and left. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Now from here, N1 and 2. You're going to use now your left arm to do the kangaroo style. Take it back. Left, right. So once you are here, you're going to move your right leg to the, push your right leg back. It's more of your taking, it's more like you are hitting it with your right arm and pushing it back against your left leg. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3. So once you hit back, and then you're going to hit 1, 2. The hitting, you're using your fingers, and 1 and 2. So in the process of hitting, bounce a little bit, bounce a little bit. Okay, the full move. It's 1 and 1 and 2 and 3, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So and 4, you're going to hold a fist with your right hand. Then you go, Move, you are pulling yourself up. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's combine from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That's good. Okay, let's try from top. Then we'll give you the music. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, the music. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit, Komasava, ta ta ta, take it down, and hit, and wave, take it, jump, swing, swing, step, hit. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit, and start. Cha cha, take it down, wave, take it, jump, step, hit. Nice one, good work. With that part, the second part of the hook is done. Now the remaining part is the chorus. The chorus is very easy. So how are you doing it? Right leg with your right arm. Now you're pushing your leg inside and then outside. 5, 6, 7, 8. Inside, outside, inside, outside. And then 4 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. Then from here, the same move. Again from the inside. Inside, outside, and hit. Now from here, you are hitting at the center. Yeah. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. 3, 4, and hit. Now from here, you're going to start from outside, the right side. Right, left, right, left. And then that part, there'll be no hitting. There'll be no hitting. One more time from the top. 5, 6. The chorus part. 5, 6, 7. Take it down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. 2, 3, 4, and hit. 2, 3, 4. You're going to continue now without the hitting. You're going to step back. And then you're going to touch your left shoulder. And then right. And then bring your hand forward. And then you're going to move your hand to the left side together with the head. Turn. Then take it back. And then take it up and back. It's more of a combo, so it's fast. So how are you doing it? 1. How are you doing it? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the speed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You may be familiar with this move. It's a Komasava move, the original, the song called Komasava, the diamond song. Komasava. So now this one, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's borrowed from that. Okay, let's connect from the chorus part from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. 2, 3, 4 and hit, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Are you doing so far? You good? Okay. Now from here, you notice your left hand is behind, so you're going to bring it forward. How are you bringing it? It's more of a wave. Swing. It's more of a wave. It's here. So when you bring it forward, it's more of you pushing yourself back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push back and then push back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push back. Push back. So this is the move, the final move. So we start with the twisting. Now when you are twisting, how are you twisting? Right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 7, 8 and 1. 7, 8 and 1. Now when you're twisting, now you're going to rub something. Your left palm, you're going to place it here, and then you're going to rub your right palm against your left palm. It's more of you have a lotion or some oil in your hands, more of rubbing it. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Twist it. Take it out. The Kangaroo. Take it up. Nice one. Good work. So let's combine from the top of the chorus part. Then moving to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. 2, 3, 4, and hit. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and push back, and push back, and twist. Take it out and twist. Take it down and twist. Take it down and up. Very nice. 6, 7, 8, and hit, and step, hey, sha, sha, take it down. Wave. Take kangaroo step. Hit. Hit. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4 hit. 2, 3, 4 hit. Wave and sha, 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 move back. Twist it. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Very nice. 7, 8, and hit. And hit. And step. Sha, sha, take it out. Wave. Jump. Step. Hit. Hit. Down. Forward. Take it back. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Take it back. Give me twist. Give me twist. Give me twist. Step and pitch. Very nice. So hope you're having some fun. So the choreo is more based on Kenyan moves. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you've had a good time. These are my choreographies. So this is my dance tutorial for this song. Hope you enjoyed. And comment down there your favorite move. What did you like? Which choreo do you think I should do next? Thank you so much.